In this video, I'll show you how to add your first contact effortlessly and begin building meaningful engagement right away. To get started, navigate to Contacts. To manually add your first contact, click the plus icon in your top toolbar. From here, we can add in our contact details like their name, email, and phone number. We can also add a logo by clicking Change, or we can add in additional emails and phone numbers by clicking Add Email or Add Phone Numbers. Then we can designate if our contact is a lead or a customer, and then we can scroll down and click Save. When our contact is created, we'll be navigated to their contact card, where we can see all of their information on the left, their conversations in the middle, and all of their activity for the contact on the right-hand side. To add additional info for the contact, we can navigate to the left side of the screen and click General Info to add things like their business name, their street address, and their website, or we can click Additional Info to fill out custom fields. To create new custom fields, navigate to Settings, Custom Fields, and click Add Field in the top right-hand side of your screen. From here, we can designate the type of field, whether it's text, values, choosing options, or others. For example, to collect something simple like the contact's favorite color, we can select Text Input Single Line, then click Next. We can then give our field a name, select a group, whether it's going to be under Contact, General Info, or Additional Info, and we can also designate a field placeholder here. When we're done, we can click Save. Now that we have a custom field, we can navigate back to our contact screen, find our field, and fill it in. We can do this with as many custom fields as we like across lots of different value types. And whenever we're done, we can click Save. If you'd like to navigate back to the contact card, simply select your contact from your list. In future videos, we'll talk about importing lists of contacts, as well as engaging with all of your contacts one-on-one and in bulk. So stay tuned, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.